Do I think that AI is going to replace human coaches? No way in the world is that going to happen anytime soon. It is going to make life easier for coaches, and it's going to make life easier for leaders. It's going to make life easier for coaches because, look, as a coach, I love coaching. I love that connection that I get with people. I love helping people to solve their problems themselves. And yet, if I'm lucky, I might meet people once every 4 weeks, once every 6 weeks for a coaching session. What I like is something that can help in between times. How can I support managers and leaders with the everyday Monday morning problems that they face outside of our coaching sessions, so that when we come back, they're already a bit further ahead in their process of understanding what they faced? So that's one way I think that AI can really help coaches. How can it help managers and leaders? Well, for me, the big thing there is about democratizing access to learning and development. We know at the moment that women, people from ethnic minorities, people from lower socioeconomic backgrounds are less likely to receive leadership development. We can address that if we can make use of technological tools such as AI. We can increase our reach. We can allow people, managers, leaders, prospective managers and leaders, to get access to tools that will help them develop their skills sooner along in that process. Why wait until someone's been a leader for 2 years to start enhancing their leadership skills? Why wait until the first day of their new leadership role to help them enhance their skills? No, we should be building those skills earlier on in the process, and that's where technology can help us out.